Hi everyone, welcome to week 10, the second week of our project 3. So you guys should have received your midterm grades. If you have any questions, please send an email to me. And if you have not received yet, please also send an email to me. I will resend it to you. So I'm going to show you the week 10 page. So this week is all about your group plan. So we have 5 tasks total in this week. The first one is to watch this video, and the second one is to make a decision. You need to decide who will be the moderator in your group. So there is the details for the project, and there different groups have different channels for you to discuss about your group plan. And you can also just use your emails to discuss with each other. And the next thing is that there is one example for the group webinar plan. You can use this one. And there is also one example video for the webinar. You can do something similar or you can do something different. It depends on you. And the next thing is to share your plan and give peer feedback. So only the moderator need to share the plan. You can share you need to share plan in the webinar plan channel and also in the assignments. So remember that you need to share it in two places. So I can give you grades in the assignment and you can give peer feedback in the Slack channel. So all the group members need to give feedbacks. Okay, and the next thing is about the final. So I think it's time to tell you something about your final product. So in your final, you will need to finish your portfolio by designing your website. So you need to put all of your things you finished in this course into your portfolio, and you also need to write a 5-page reflection paper. So the details will be published next week. So please take care of that. So that's all for the week 10. I hope you guys will have a great week and see you next Tuesday. Thank you.